Grade 6, Subject Science, Chapter 3, Fiber to Fabric, Module 1. Objectives. At the end of the session, you will be able to understand about fiber, yarn, fabric, and types of fibers, natural and synthetic. Let's move with our new chapter. All of you might have visited textile shops, isn't it? In a textile shop, we can see different variety of clothes or fabrics. Cotton, wool, silk, jute, linen, polyester, nylon, etc. And with these fabrics, we will make out different items like bed sheets, pillow covers, towels, curtains, blankets, tablecloths, shopping bags, school bags, carpets, etc. So, what are these fabrics? How can we define it? Yes, fabrics are materials used for making clothes, curtains, bed sheets, tablecloth, towels, bags, etc. Then, let us find out, is fabric really a continuous piece? We are moving to activity 1. Visit a nearby tailoring shop. Collect cuttings of fabrics left over after stitching. Feel and touch each piece. When you look at any fabric, it seems a continuous piece. But look it very closely. Is fabric really a continuous piece? No, it's not a continuous piece. Fabric is made up of two sets of strands arranged together in horizontal and vertical fashion. And here is another activity. Take a cotton cloth and pull out a loose thread or yarn from it. We find that a fabric is made up of yarns arranged together. So we can say fabric is made up of yarns arranged together in horizontal and vertical fashion. Okay. And what are the yarns made of? For that we can do another activity. Take out a yarn from a piece of cotton fabric. Place this piece of yarn on the table. Now press one end of the yarn with your thumb. Scratch the other end of the yarn along its length with your nail as shown in figure 3.4. Do you find that at this end the yarn splits up into thin strands? Yes, you might have observed same thing when you try to thread a needle. Many a time the end of the thread is separated into a few thin strands. This makes it difficult to pass the thread through the eye of the needle. The thin strands of the thread that we see are made up of still thinner strands called fibers. So dears, yarns are made of fibers and fabrics are made of yarns. So let us picturize it. See, from fiber we will make yarn. From yarn we will make fabric or cloths. Yarns are arranged in horizontal and vertical fashion to make fabrics. Once more I repeat, fiber will change to yarn, yarn will change to fabric or clothes. So we can say fabrics are made up of yarns and yarns are further made up of fibers. And where do these fibers come from? Yes, we will get fibers from natural source and also artificial or man-made source. Let's see. Types of fibers. Natural fibers. What are natural fibers? Yes, we all know. The fibers of some fabrics are obtained from plants and animals. These are called natural fibers. Example, cotton we will get from cotton plant. Jute we will get from jute plant. Silk from silkworm. Wool from sheep, yak, rabbit, etc. Camels, etc. Okay. And next type is synthetic fibers, synthetic or man-made fibers. Fibers are also made from chemical substances which are not obtained from plants and animal sources. So when we make the fibers from chemical sources, we call it synthetic fibers. These are called synthetic fibers. Example, polyester, nylon, acrylic, etc. So let's sum up fibers into two categories, natural and synthetic. Natural again classified into the fibers we get from plants and also animals. From plants we will get cotton, jute, coir, etc. And from animals we will get wool, silk, etc. Synthetic fibers examples are polyester, nylon, acrylic. So that's all for today. Let's move to the follow-up activity. Observe the tags of different items to know about which fibers they are made up of. So you can see tags on your clothes, t-shirts, pants, trousers, shirts, etc. Observe the tags and on that it will be written whether it is cotton, jute or polyester. So observe it and find out which fibers are used to make up that clothes. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.